everyone! Today we are making mini sesame balls. Sesame balls.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making mini sesame balls. Here I have some guests. Can you introduce yourselves?
My name is Natalie. My name is LyLy. My name is Callista.
And they're going to be making some mini sesame balls. We're just going to need a few key ingredients. First, we need a bag of the glutinous rice flour, which is this bag. And then we need a bag of the rice flour, which is this bag. And we need some sugar and some mashed potato flakes. And we need some baking powder and some hot water. That's all. Oh, plus we need some sesame seeds, but we'll get that later. Yeah, so Lulu, can you open the bag of the glutinous rice and pour the whole bag into a big bowl? I need about half a cup. Good job. Okay, Natalie, I need 1/4 cup of the mashed potato flake. Good job. That's good enough.
Yes.
Yep. Good job. So just do half of this one. Half of that, a little bit of half. Okay, that's good. All right, and now I need 3/4 cup of sugar.
One.
Okay, I need 3 of those of sugar. Move this one closer to you. One.
Two. 3.
Good job. Okay, now Mayu, can you take the chopstick? Can you mix all the dry together? Mix it all so it's nice and incorporated. Ryan, you want to carefully pour in the hot water? Just a little bit at a time. Keep mixing it. Work together. Okay, Ryan, pour more. Keep mixing it. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Great work. Okay, Raya, pour in the rest of it. Lulu, can you feel the dough? Is it too hot or is it hot? Okay. How hot is it?
It's a little bit like it's hot, but it's like a little bit.
Okay, put your 2 hands together. Take away the chopsticks and smush it. Right, you can do it too. You can help too. Just smush it all together.
Oh, it feels doughy. sure you get the bottom. It feels so thick. It's like dough.
It should feel like Play-Doh.
And then like
This
dough.
right here.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be dough. It's this dough. Most of it's powder. So you gotta crumble it up.
Keep mixing it.
So it's formed like this now. It's a little more like softer.
Does it feel like Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Yeah, like a soft clay.
Soft clay? Good job. Keep going.
Mix on the sides everywhere. You also can flip it and
You
then
can flip it.
smush it together. You want to make sure everywhere is nice. Yes. So this looks like how it looks like right now. So, wait, let me hand. I'm gonna flip it over.
Can you guys make it into a little ball? Let's see what it looks like.
Yes.
What does it look like for texture? Feels like Play-Doh?
This is how it looks like. It's like slime, like down. Could make a wonton. See?
All right,
Then
let's
if
start
you
rolling
flatten
them.
it, then it will look like that, like a regular what Play-Doh would do.
Okay, now I want you guys to make little balls the size of a quarter
Okay.
and show me your quarters. Good, Raya. Let's see Lulu's. Good, Lulu. How about yours, Natalie? Good job, Good job.
Well, we need some seeds.
We're gonna put them in sesame seeds next. All right, keep going, girls.
Don't want it too small.
Okay, Milo, let's make the slurry. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour to the cup of water.
This?
Yeah, that's good. Mix it. You can add a little bit more flour. 1 more spoon. And we're doing this because we want the outer shell to be extra crispy.
And yummy.
Yep. Stir that really well. So we're making a slurry.
Also, you can make this for desserts stuff.
Okay, now dip your little ball in there and roll it in the sesame seeds.
Okay.
Mother, you could take out the spoon.
But can we pour it in the bowl? Because that's more easier. Can we?
You could put the wet balls in the bowl. Just roll it around and press the balls into the, and then make sure, put it back in your hand and make sure the sesame balls are tight.
Just roll it. Like this.
Nice work, Raya.
So I know how to make sesame balls because my grandma showed me how to make sesame balls last time.
Yeah, me and Natalie, we've been making sesame balls.
Is that good?
Good job, Milo. Yep.
Like this.
All right, you girls are having fun. We'll be back. What are you guys doing now, Natalie?
We're rolling the little Play-Doh dough, and we're just putting right there. Putting it circles, and then we're putting in this. And my sister will be rolling it with the seeds.
So you guys made an assembly line?
Yes, and when you roll it through the seeds, you have to make sure that it's in the water, so then the seeds can stick.
Great. Good work, girls.
Oh, that's sticky. There you go.
These girls were working really hard, rolling
make
all their sesame
all of
balls.
these. And this one might be the crustiest. So we're all done. So look at our bowl.
Oh, good job.
And we got some of the seeds. we were lucky that we finished it.
So
it's
some have
regular.
sesame seeds and some don't, because we want to try some different varieties. All right, let's get to frying.
But we need to wash it. We have to clean up first.
These girls are cleaning up their kitchen mess. Such good helpers.
Now we will put the sesame seed ball into the oil and we'll let them fry. And while they are frying, we are just going to wait until they are done frying. So now we are going to be grabbing them. Make sure all the oil leaks out, and they should be goldish. I'm going to grab some more. Make sure you drain the oil from the sesame balls. Gonna grab some more. That's a big one. Make sure you drain the oil because you don't want too much oil. I'm gonna let them sit on something that has a paper towel so the oil can fall.
So the oils can drain. You guys are doing great.
Yummy, right? So I'll be seeing how this sound of crunches. Good, right? Hi everyone, today we are making sesame balls. I said stop laughing.
Okay, ready?
Hi everyone, today we are making mini sesame balls.
You want to try one?
Yeah, restart.
Okay, do one more time. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Hi everyone. No, my God.
Oh, don't hit her. You might drop the sesame balls. Come on, my feet are getting hot. Okay, ready? 1,
Breathe.
2, 3.
Hi everyone. Oh my God. Okay.
Come on.
Shut up.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, ready? Go. Ready? Last one.
Okay, for real.
1, 2, 3.
Hi everyone. Shut up.
Why you keep laughing?
What? Hold on, I don't know.
Come on. Okay, how about just take a bite out of the sesame ball from the crunchiness? Okay.
Okay, come on.
Ready, set, go.
Hi,
Just take a bite out of it then. Here, just take a bite out of it.
I want to say it.
Okay, ready? My feet are burning.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
Hi everyone. Today we are making mini.
Raya! Raya!
What?
You keep laughing. We can't make the video.
Okay, hold on. I'm not even gonna talk.
Okay, come on, do
No,
hurry.
actually, yeah.
Hurry. My feet are burning. Okay.
Okay. Oh, got that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Hi everyone. Today.
Go.
Hi everyone. Today we are making mini sesame balls.
All right, give it a try.
Yummy. With sugar, right?